it. All right.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Mommy's channel.
Today we have a Domino's and Buffalo Wild Wings mukbang with my boys. My little girl didn't want to be. So, okay, dive in guys. You have to start eating. We also got some Coca-Cola, cero, porque no queremos estar gordos. De por sí ya estamos.
I dropped a piece of meat.
It's okay.
Mommy, it's called Black Coke.
Here.
And this
Go get some to Jackie, baby.
that one?
Yeah.
Hey, this is for Jaden. Jaden loves the song.
And a little bit we're gonna do a thumb now. Let me see your cup, Jaden, so I can pour some soda in here. Thank you, Bobby. You're welcome.
Hey, Dad.
Just in case they didn't pray for their
I want
food,
one
let's
of
pray.
those. I want one of these.
Our hands together. God, thank you for this food. Amen.
I want this.
This one, okay, you want to try some of Mommy's wings? This one? Okay, there you go. Oh, some more wings.
What type of wings?
Okay, grab your pizzas or your wings, and I like you to take a bite of it so we can do a thumbnail like this. You did it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Our thumbnail. All right, I'm so hungry.
I just eat it.
You just eat it?
Yeah.
I'm so hungry. I've been cleaning all day the kitchen. And so I'm like, let's do a mukbang. Let's do a mukbang.
Yeah, let's.
Here's ranch. You want some, baby? I don't like ranch. I like Southwest ranch with my wings. What kind of stuff do you guys like with y'all wings? Do you like ranch? Do you like Southwest? Do you like ketchup? What do you like with y'all stuff? Let us know let us know in the comments down below.
I love eggs and ketchup. That was maybe 18%. Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't come for me. This is our first mukbang, so we're kind of nervous, right, guys?
We can kind of play.
I don't think there's going to be much talking here because all we're doing is enjoying our food.
Enjoy or zero Coke.
Yeah, enjoying Coke Zero Coke.
Wait, Diet Coke? Is that Diet Coke?
There's zero.
Oh, I said no.
It's not regular Coke.
I know. But when I first tried Diet Coke, it tastes a little bit different.
It tastes the same to me.
Yeah, even everything that's diet. I'm ready to finish for my pizza.
There's more right there, baby.
I can't reach it.
For the ones that burp with y'all food, yeah, I got one right here.
My little sister over there watching Harvey Street Kids.
Mommy. Mommy always clean, right?
Yeah, I was clean. Today I cleaned all day.
Yeah. And look, you got my shirt.
Dinosaur shirt.
Yeah.
Wow,
It's
Cold.
I want the pot, but like in a way like this, that's the one that was cold. We missed the funny part. We missed it.
Ooh. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what kind of wings I have. I love mango habanero. This one is mild. It's the other one is lemon pepper. I also love lemon pepper. But I don't like the drums. I like the flats. The flats are better for me. Let me know if you guys like drums or flats. My kids don't really like wings, so I got them pizza.
I like wings.
Yeah, he does too.
And I burp and mommy.
Yeah, it's not right. Mommy doesn't like it when you burp.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, don't do it no more, okay?
I can because I always burp.
Okay, when you burp, what are you supposed to say?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
haven't been doing it.
Dad, keep me doing it because I burp a lot.
Okay, when you burp, you gotta cover your mouth.
I know.
Okay?
That cold makes me burp.
It's called having what, guys?
Manners.
Manners, yeah.
Pizza.
Also, we got this. What was that man we did was in there? We talked all the way.
What's that pizza?
I'm gonna get a little bite.
All the comfort of a blanket, all the stock. Still, nighttime is always cutting in before we get to enjoy my awesome idea.
So yummy.
Yeah.
He likes mixing his ranch with his other sauce. I do it too. I think that's where he got it from.
I know.
Jackie, why do you always keep on doing that? She just, every time, when she gets near the end, she just restarts it.
That's probably one of
Over and
my
over and
favorite
over and
shows.
over and over and over and over. I know why.
Do you used to do that?
What? It's because you like watching that. I like watching that. I want to see that again.
Yeah. I used to do that too when I was little. I used to watch this show called, no, it wasn't a show, it was a movie. It was called The Lion King. It was so amazing.
Oh yeah. Lion King, yeah, that's on the. That was at the apartment that we were watching with.
Yeah, but that one was the show. Now the original movie was better
Then the show.
than the show. Yeah.
Excuse me. I didn't do any flip at all.
This super trampoline is your most awesome idea yet. Even more than the puppy massage chair. Indeed, it's even 17, maybe 18% better than your cake catapult. The cake catapult. Thanks, girl.
We'll get better at this, guys. I promise you guys. Because I'm going to do more mukbangs with the kids. Because this is probably going to be like an episode here on my channel where I eat with my kids. Would you guys love that? Would you guys love that? Would you guys like making videos?
Oh yeah, pizza.
No, come sit down.
They'll show them the.
Would you guys like to make videos while we eat sometimes?
No, it's not. We only have 1.36.
But we gotta do a hot deal.
Maybe next time we'll do a McDonald's mukbang on we'll do it like every Thursday maybe, or every other Thursday, or whenever we do get food from out. That's not regular food from home.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. I always
Or-
like that.
Maybe Mommy might make something that you guys might like, and we'll eat it in front of the camera.
I'm only gonna say this once. I like your food more better than the restaurant's food.
Thank you! My kid. You finished? Go ahead and go play your game, baby. Go ahead and go play your game. While we finish eating. But make sure you go throw away your plate in the trash.
Check it out. What's in XOXO? It's almost midnight.
Still want to eat it.
No kid on Harvey Street has ever stayed up
I don't like drums.
I went to the Harvey Girls place.
I'm gonna leave it for my husband later.
Oh wait, gosh.
It's kind of best.
Thank you.
That Daddy bought pizza. Ooh, I like this clip. Right?
Okay.
You.
Getting kind of full. So I think we're gonna stop right here so my kids can enjoy eating their pizza freely. Thank you guys for watching us eat. We'll pig out.
Well, do
And
McDonald's.
until next time, what we say? Don't forget to what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, comment, and
And
subscribe. And until next time,
a
bye.
big thumbs up.
Oh yeah, give us a big thumbs up. Say bye, guys.
Bye. Okay. You're covering the camera.
Okay, it's